Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. My voice might sound very weird today because I have been sick this week. Today I feel a lot better. I'm recording this video in the bathroom because I'm going to try out the exfoliate foot peel and natural bath bombs and natural syringe. So I'm going to do my feet first. I'm very interested to try it out. I have never exfoliate my feet for 27 years. So those products are from Amazon store and the brand is LuckyFine. The direct links are in the description box and the 20% off coupon. I will also do a giveaway in this video and I will pick 3 winners. So those are the rules. Subscribe to my channel, vote for this video and share this video on any of your social media sites. And please make comments and say that you want to enter the giveaway. I love the LuckyFine. The next rule is you're living in USA. So next I will try the exfoliant foot peel. I'm quite interested and I'm a little bit scared because of the ingredient. Very powerful product. This product contains milk extract and a variety of plant extracts to soften the skin and remove the dead skin. There are some notes. It's very important before you use this product. The first one is this product is very powerful. You can only use it twice a month, no more than twice a month. And if you are allergic to this product, please stop immediately and do not use this product if your skin has redness or your skin got cuts. And if you are pregnant, don't use it. Do not peel off the skin. Let the skin peel off itself. So those are the important notes before you use it. After cleaning and drying the feet, and you take out the mask and wear the foot mask and massage the outside of the foot mask. The smell is like medicine. It has 2 bags in 1 pack. And then I'll put those around my feet. I will not put it around my ankle, the normal skin just for my feet. So right now it's about 12 o'clock, so I'll wait for 1 hour. So it says that you need to massage your skin. It's been 20 minutes. I don't feel any hurting. Well, I need to wait at least 40 minutes. So I'm going to take a bath and I will be using the natural bath bombs. This is pretty nice box. It could be a Christmas gift, right? Or any festival gifts. Look the inside. It's very pretty. This one is rose, strawberry. The purple one is lavender and orange. Maybe I will use orange today. And this one is green tea. This one is mint. My nose is stuffed, but I can still smell the scent. Take a hot bath. Maybe this helps my cold. Okay, it's 1 hour now. I'm going to wash my feet off. Take it off. It looks like the skin peeling off a little bit. I'll wait for the next day and see how the skin going. It was not convenient taking the bath and doing the feet at the same time. So after 2 days, soak your feet in warm water for 20 minutes. And you need to do this about 7 days. And the last thing I'm going to share is the natural serum. So this natural serum is to help the nastiness, sickness, and darkness. I have been using it for a few days. I'm looking forward to the result. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.